Welcome to Precision Reviews, where we do test, unboxing, news and reviews. And today we are going to talk about a very nice surprise, a very nice tablet, the Xiaomi Pad 5. I just bought this tablet last week. It was, I think, the pre-released, and I did the unboxing the same day. You can find it for the 5 version, the one I have now, for 400 euros and the Pro version for 500 euros. And this is the normal 5 version, global version, of course. I got this version with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage in pearl white. You have also cosmic gray, that is also very nice, but I saw the white in some YouTubers' videos, people that had it, of course, before us normal consumers, and I thought this color was very, very nice to see, so let's have a look in reality. And here is the tablet with some key features like the 120Hz refresh rate display. It's an IPS and very good display with 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos. Very impressive speakers, guys. A Snapdragon 860 processor for the price, that's a bargain. And a huge battery of 8720 mAh. Just to give you a context, I have an iPad 4 and an iPad Air, and I like to use the tablet for some specific tasks, like reading some news articles, using it for a recipe in the kitchen, watching some videos, Netflix, YouTube, and also playing some games. Whoa, ho, ho. As you heard, this color is beautiful. It's a nice white finish with some pink reflects. I really love it. Here at the front of the tablet, and as you can see, it is very good and nice to see, and you have enough, on quotes, fingers comfort to hold it when you use it. And in front, we have the front-facing camera just here. So in the front we have no visual defect or anything. It screams quality. Here are the 2 speakers on top, and next to it we have the power button. You can see on the left Dolby Vision Atmos words. I love the build quality of this aluminum frame. Look at it. It is very, very, very nice. Well made. It screams build quality, flagship build quality. I love it. Damn. Look at this. And on the right, we have volume buttons, a specific placement for the Mi Pen that can also recharge the pen. And on the bottom, you have those 2 magnificent speakers and USB-C, and they are pretty good, those 2 and 4 total speakers. And then on the other side you have 3 pins to plug the tablet on a specific keyboard. And finally this beautiful back of the tablet in white, some yellowish pinkish finish reflects, and the rear camera, it's a 13 megapixel, still in 2.0, dual LED flash, HDR, can shoot in panorama, and you can record videos in 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 frames per second also. So let's put this magnificent piece of heart of tech aside. Let's speed up a little because we have 2 useless manuals and instructions. We don't care about it. What do we have behind it? So we have the charger. It's a 22.5 watt with USB to USB-C. And the good news is that The tablet is capable to charge faster with another charger, a 33-watt charger. And you have also power delivery 3.0. So let's power this baby up and see what happens. So by the time the power is booting up, I will give you some key specs. I forgot to talk about it just earlier, like the fact that the screen is HDR10 and you have also UFS 3.1 for storage speed. And here is the nice booting animation you will see when you will buy the tablet in just a sec. And it says MIUI 12.5. It's the last version of the Xiaomi overlay and it's running, of course, Android 11. Now let's set this baby up and I will give you my very first impressions just after that. So we have this nice setup complete screen and here you go, the first boot. The screen looks very sharp, very good, very nice colors, nice contrast. And what you can see is that you don't have bloatware, only 2 apps, WPS Office and Netflix. That's it. Other apps are Google apps and Xiaomi apps, like the music player, video player, things like that. Let's have a quick look in the settings menu. It looks pretty well managed. You have access in one site to the key features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, lock screen, display, sound, home screen, notification, stylus and keyboard. We have our answers, wallpaper, etc. You can also update MIUI very easily and it's pretty responsive and really enjoyable to use. Beam, beam, beam. Look at that. Very fast, very pleasing to use. Like an iPad, Google Apps, everything is here. Everything is fast and very enjoyable. Very enjoyable. I love it. So to give you my very first impressions, even in landscape mode, the tablet is very pleasing to use. It's fast, it's responsive, and the screen angles are really good. So if you are interested to see the next episode or the full review of this tablet, please subscribe. And until the next one, peace.